Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, all right, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Yesterday we talked about Lisa. Lisa called. She wanted to format every other row in her data set. And as I was sitting there trying to figure out which way would be the easiest way to describe to Lisa, I sent her an email. She says, oh, I already figured it out. I said, really? What'd you do? And Lisa came up with a method that I hadn't even thought of. This is pretty cool. It actually starts out being a little destructive, but actually solves the problem. The beautiful thing about Lisa's option is we're not stuck with those list 1 and list 2 that I talked about yesterday. You can choose any colors you want. So we're going to format the first row in red and the second row in blue. This will be a very obnoxious format. I'm sure you would use something better than this. So we'll go with the red and blue. Lisa formatted the first couple of rows, and then she selected those rows. Are you ready for this? This next one. It's going to seem horrible at first. Double-click the fill handle. All right. And a couple of things happen. First thing that happens is we get the red and blue. The bad thing that happens is it screwed up all of our data. You can see all of the numbers just changed. But what Lisa does, she doesn't panic. She comes down here to this little drop down that appears in the lower right-hand corner, opens the drop down, and says fill formatting only. And all of our original numbers and data come flying back, and she's now applied every other row formatting. Isn't that beautiful? I said, Lisa, all right, good. I'm giving you an Excel master pin for that one. A great idea. It's much more flexible in that we can use any colors we want. It does kind of take your breath away when you lose all of your data, but it's all there in the undo stack, and basically it'll come flying back when you choose fill formatting only. So another way to do formatting of every other row. Still, though, we have the problem that if we insert some new rows, the formatting is going to get screwed up. Tomorrow, we'll talk about a better way to solve that problem, where it's actually dynamic and can deal with the rows being inserted. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.